Ready? Gadget glasses are ready. Alright. Get it up straight up. Listen.
Drink up, my drink up. No!
Hey y'all, I'm gonna make myself some dinner. Today's menu or today's dinner of choice is gonna be some curry shrimp with white rice. I have my rice cooker right here. Normally I just eyeball it, but because I found my measuring cup thingy for the rice, why not use it? I just love a rice cooker. I'm sorry. The other day, one of my friends forced me to cook rice, and I was like, you need a rice cooker. We don't do this thing anymore where my manually cook rice. Like, I don't have the time for that. I normally do 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. What I'll do is I'll eat it now, and then whenever the meat done, I'll use the rest of the rice and do fried rice. Put that in there, and then I wash it out, washing the rice. When it runs clear, then yeah, I make sure to dry off the bottom of this, because if heat touches this wet bowl, then you could just hear the rice cooker sizzle. Honestly, this was the best gift my dad could have ever given me. Now we're gonna add some salt. I much prefer if my rice fresh rather than it's salt, because we can always add salt to the meat. You understand? So yeah, just flick that little button and then put the top on, and that's literally it. When it starts bubble up, I'm gonna add butter. But yeah, that's it for my rice. I love me some basmati rice. Now this specific basmati rice, I'm not too sure. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I got it because I saw my dad buy it one day and I was like, oh, a rice. You know, rice in a little bag like this that you can bring. It's just, I don't know, like silly things fascinate me, okay? Our shrimp is here. Oh, I know. I waited a little bit too long to come back to this rice. Put the butter in. Try to put it in now. Why do I feel like there's low-key not enough water? I think I want to make my shrimp in this pan. It's not necessarily bigger, but it is deeper. So I think I'd rather use that one. I like to make sure everything is cut out of these little scrimps. Like when if you look in the back of them, like this one is deveined. Well, so it says it's deveined and it's cooked, but when you look in the back of them, you see, if you see a little black line, that's shit. You need to cut it out. So I like to double check and go through them. See this one better. See? Black as hell. There it is. I won't be able to film the cooking process because this is on 1% and I really don't have time to stop and look for the charger and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna see y'all when it's done, okay? Hi guys! So I decided to come for brunch with Long time no see.
What's going on?
Tell the Seashells.
Guys, I've been quite busy. My life has,
as an adult,
taken a turn in
right.
a good direction.
Yeah.
But you know, there's been a lot of adjusting to that.
Right.
And, just kind of finding my fitting again, my sense of normalcy.
Right.
So I've been a little bit out of the mix.
Yeah.
But
For good
back
reasons.
Again.
Back again. Body oil.
Yeah.
Doing your body oil. I wish I could, guys. I just hate lotion, me hate oil. I hate.
No, it's body butter, so it's not so bad.
Oh.
But because of the heat.
Well, imagine if you had on oil, you'd be fine. I don't normally like anti drinks. They're too goddamn strong.
please. Same. Yeah.
Fresh, really fresh.
Thank God.
Really fresh.
Thank God. I can't even use that knife and fork no more. Happy birthday! My car still in the car. Stop. Right now. Popping bottles in the ice. Like this. Sun is so nice.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. Everybody hands go up. I said, hello, since you're pretty young. Starlight production team make up on the stage right now. Star. Put your arms around your friend. I said, put your arms.
Why y'all feeding the fish them chicken? Drunk leveler. Trent, send some lions, whale, galaxy.
Early to get your glasses ready. If you don't have a glass, don't worry yourself.
On a French matter.
We have some ladies coming around with big
so
cups.
far, we're gonna be
Yourself.
taking
Alright, it's selling something
group.
different. Alright. Get your cups filled up. With some
Drink up, drink up. No! Stop it! No!
say it. Right now.
Promise, girl. Drink, make me see, make everybody see. We have to drink some
It's
more.
the special hour. When you drink the coffee show, you feel different. Sip. Y'all ready, ladies? Put my hands in the air. 1, 2, 3, jump, jump, jump.
Dog, I'm a second buckles in a bro. My turn. You lie! Making this can done. You're proud of yourself. Baby, baby, baby,
If you didn't end with an A, do this. Bend right over. I love it, I love it.
That was such a long piss.
I'm joking.
Na 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 na, life's sweet. Na 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 na, life's sweet. Na 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 na, life's sweet. Na 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 na, life's sweet. Or you just out with your friends just gonna cheat on me? No, we in the club. Just
We're in the club. Just get off that down, fully up, act fully up. Bitch, I call your mother phone. That's how you do it. We just need some food, bro.
Real.
And this romantic of the weekend. Can't wait. For us to go so.
Shoo! Can't relate. I'm happy now. Can you my scalp?
You can see my scalp, see that?
I said I can feel it.
You can feel it. See that?
Which part? Which one?
See that? So this little puppy doesn't seem to really like his food anymore. He's looking in my hand because I bought this for him, and I'm just gonna see if he likes it. Okay, okay. Hold on. Wait. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Sit. I know you're hungry. Sit down. Good boy. Folks, safe to say he actually likes it. Now I'm gonna have to buy the big version on Amazon because I refuse to buy it here. Alexa, resume. On that note of places to be. So it was later that night and I didn't realize that the mic wasn't connected. So I was literally trying to explain to you guys that your girl is a party promoter now. And me and these two ladies, Jules and Jada, are having a party called Bad It After Dark. It's a weekly Sunday series launching October 5th at 92 Hope Road. So make sure you did it. And yeah, we're pretty excited. We went to check out the venue, do some planning, have a meeting with whoever we have a meeting with, and yeah, that's basically it. 13 flavors. 1, 2, whop, whop, whop.
You want me to bring them out?
No. What's the crowd? What is the crowd favorite? Yeah, me have to.
Yeah, she's vlogging.
Yeah, I'm taking the behind the scenes.
Grab them.
What flavor you want, miss? What flavor do you like?
Smooth. Yeah, girl.
Man, say if you want fruity or smooth, what you want?
You can get fruity and smooth.
You can get fruity and smooth. Content.
So I know you said the phone will go.
Wait. Na side right to go. Yeah. Oh, how good it feels to be on the big camera. I missed it. The DJI is convenient, it's cute, but like this is tea. This is quality. So I have a couple things that I have to do today. First being, well, I did some of it already. So I had some content to edit for my hairdresser. And I'm also gonna go to her today to finally cream my dry. Like, it's been a long time coming since my hair needed to be relaxed, so it's time. It is time. I have a video to do for MaxSpot. I wanted to do that before I went on the road, but I have a package that I need to pick up and send to my dad, so I'm going to do that now. And I actually had to come on the road with me, so I'm gonna pick her up and then we're gonna go to PriceSmart first because I want some plain Greek yogurt and I want to see if they have like a big container, because it doesn't make sense for me to just keep buying small ones and it's just gonna be more money. I'm not trying to do that, so that's what I'm trying to do there. And then yeah, so after I come from PriceSmart, then I'm gonna go to my shipping company, then I'm gonna drop Shanita at work, then I'm going to go to Knutsford and ship off the items to my dad, and then I'm gonna come home. But that makes sense though. Might as well go straight to hairdresser. Yeah, by the time I finish all that, it might actually be time for me to go to the hairdresser. So I'm gonna walk with my other camera, the DJI, because I might want to vlog in PriceSmart, and yeah, they might tell me I won't be able to vlog with this big camera, so I'm gonna take that. So currently 12:29. Let's see if I can finish all of this by 3 o'clock, because I need to be at my hairdresser by 3:30 the latest, but I'm gonna show up at 3. I want to show up at 3. I'm gonna eat nothing for a morning. Pray for me. Lead the way, Miss PriceSmart. Lead the way. Obviously, I had to bring out the DJI, and I'm testing on my new microphone. Up here is full. I had to park upstairs. I've never parked upstairs before. Mind you, I don't really come price map more than so.
That's a Shelby cat. You want to see the place for that shit? Carry me off like,
You want to go home? You can go.
don't use that card, miss.
You can go. We can beg somebody else. Blood.
You want to see what she did?
You talk about me. You don't have on any clothes. You talk about me. Shanita. Them stuff that give me anxiety, you know. No, wait. No, we can't go first. Yeah, man, go on. No, oh, me I go to that one. We're not on the stairs. They're not on the stairs.
No.
Jesus Christ. Hi. I have a fear. They didn't, we cannot do it. No, I can't. Tell them, we can't do it. We can't do it too. Jesus. I can't do it. I can't do it, God. I can't do it. I can't do it. No. I can't do it.
Come on.
No, me I gotta be strong. No, me need assistance. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't. No, we can't do it. No, we can't do it. Jesus.
Come on.
Wait, no, we can't do that. Jesus, I don't need to invest in some stairs. Suppose me drop. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Elevator directly for that ticket.
Oh, they have an elevator here?
See, just approach like a boy more.
This was always here? You know they had an elevator here? Right there. Jesus! My heart that hurt me. Christmas? You're not gonna buy anything. Come. Girl.
This morning we wake up and we can just feel the Christmas spirit.
It's okay. All right, man.
September.
It's literally September, guys, and you're talking about Christmas right now. Why did I choose to come in here on a Saturday? I don't know. I thought it was early enough. I don't know. But I come for again. What the hell me I do over here, so? And a yogurt, Mr. Miko. Are you? Let me get my list.
There's a list. I think you said
Yeah. I mean, yes, that is the main thing, but like, I'm trying to change up my diet. I need cloves. I think I just go to a different supermarket to buy that though. Because they might have a big size, yeah, so maybe I like that. Could I never? Trot. Oh my god. Yeah, cause I want granola. Do they have right there? But the granola is to go with the yogurt. When I said I wanted a big size, I expected bigger than this. Not gonna lie, that's the biggest they have here.
Actually, I've seen
Sorry,
bigger. I've seen bigger.
yeah, that may say like, I come all the way so for this, so I could have buy this somewhere else. Did I really come all the way here for just? I guess.
You can
Them
get
sell
this
it
at
on-
Mega Mart.
Yeah, sure.
Not sure,
Exactly.
but you should be able to.
No, I don't
Or
want that.
Fresh Foods.
I don't want to live sure if you're unsure.
When we went to Fresh Foods the other day, did we have it?
I wasn't looking for that, so I don't know. People? No, I know. Watch out. Who crowed? Hell no. Hell no. It's literally Christmas in here.
That one. No, I think they have another.
Where are you going to put it? Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. No, I can't do that, girl. You put too much excitement for me. Come
I
now.
already know.
You have to come with me. Come now. Wait. You have to tell me when to step.
Hold on. Up it.
I'm not walking up this.
It's like it's not on the traction. Yes.
I don't like it at all. I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
I prefer the one that the stairs, but I need it for the trolley.
No, I low-key prefer this.
Imagine you-
Get me out of here. This is uptown activities. It's too much for me, sorry. All right, guys, so we made it to, what's this called, Fresh Foods. I was going to go to Mega Mart instead, but really and truly, the amount of traffic that is on the road right now, I'm not doing it, so. They're all bullshit. It's not what I want. God forbid a girl wants some plain Greek yogurt. I'm kind of tired for the on the road now. Like, I'm just annoyed. Everything is flavored. All right, so I dropped off Shanita at work. And I'm at Cheryl now. She did say 3 o'clock. It's 2:30. She said 3:30 latest. I wanted to get here at 3. It's now 2:30, and honestly, I just said go. I said go because I'm not gonna go all the way back home. I wanted to go to Mega Mart, but for me to really go all the way to Mega Mart and then come back in halfway through traffic, yeah, no. And I'm kind of getting annoyed now. I am getting very annoyed now because I found the type of yogurt that I want at Price Mart, but to stand up in another line there just for like one thing would make no sense. And I'm starving now. I was supposed to go to Request. I cannot do that. That's too much traffic. I'm not in the mood for all of that. So hopefully I can just get my hair done. At least that would be one good thing today. I got here. Outside looks so overcast. Luckily I have my umbrella. So hey, if she's not ready for me, that's fine. I'll just sit down and wait. If anything, I'll just put on my bags upstairs, get some food downstairs because it's the plaza where Patois is. I don't really like Patois food. I'm not gonna lie. If I had to choose anything else, I would choose anything else other than Patois food right now. But your girl is hungry, so yeah.
Yeah. I ain't trying to think about it. No. Yeah, I said it, boy, get up beside it. I want you to homicide it. Going so wait, I want you to back it. And I think I kinda like it. Up against the wall, we don't need a title. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it, babe. Yeah, I said it. Good title.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I went to night carnival last night, right? I have you guys up there because if I put you at any other angle, you're gonna see exactly how messy my room is, and I don't want that. I don't want that. Went to night carnival last night, pretty last minute. Today, I have a couple things to do. Oh, crap. When am I gonna do that? I have a video to do for, and I have an event to go to, and then I also have a shoot later for my event. I don't remember if I told you guys. I think I did tell you guys. You know, your girl's a party promoter now. Baddies After Dark. It's launching October 5th. It's gonna be a weekly series. Picture, sexy, lounge vibes. I cannot wait for you guys to see what we have up our sleeves. Like, ah! So the first theme that we're running out with is Midnight Masquerade. So if you've seen the flyers and everything already, y'all know that it's kind of centered around the whole mask thing. Hey, we get mask at a party and baga ray. Come out if you want to see what's gonna happen that night. I will not be telling y'all anything more, giving away anything more. We're gonna do a teaser video. It was a little bit of a struggle finding somebody to do it because we decided to say we not do it. So before I have to do that, I have an event to go to. It's one of Neil's events on Sundays too. But we want to keep in at the day part. So you know, that's kind of brunch vibes. So you know, Baddies After Dark is the after party. Yeah. 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. Your new Sunday ritual, your new Sunday reset. See there? My texting at the group, and no, I don't have no space in my phone, so I can't even see these messages. Lord Jesus. That's the face. I'm gonna put on mascara, take a really quick shower, and put on my clothes. It is now 3:58. I should be out by 4:10. I'm not gonna lie.
Hi guys, so it's the one photographer UK. Make sure to subscribe to the Human Tube. Subscribe to it.
Oh brother. Why?
I'm not famous enough. Apparently.
You're so. You're evil. It's sad. Hello, Jeffrey Ive.
People over here. Like and subscribe.
Right.
Share and comment.
Right.
All those wonderful things.
And that means right.
That's it?
Yeah. Good morning. It's the day after. Today is Monday. I woke up super early. To be honest, let me put this in park because I was actually gonna drive out a while ago. To be very honest, what happened yesterday? I had a lot of things to do yesterday and I didn't get some of them done, so I need to do them today. But remember, I wanted to go get my yogurt. Yeah, that we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna. Smart open at 10. I didn't even know that because I went earlier. I went around after 8 and we see the big gate lock. So so I'm gonna go now. But what I want to do first, it's 9:24. I think I want to go to Knutsford because I collected something for Daddy at request the other day and I need to send it off. And then go Price Smart, get my yogurt. Hopefully I can get some granola. If I could go somewhere else, could get onion and garlic and something there. I'm not gonna buy that in Price Smart. If I can get chicken breast or if I can get like a big pack of fish, that would be good. I think that's what I'm gonna do. My hair, I love my hair. My hair is touching my shoulders. Let's go to do all that, and then when I leave Price Smart I have to come back home, obviously put yogurt in the fridge. I feel like I need to take Enzo to the doctor. I might take him to the vet this week because he's not eating. Myself, I'm gonna Google it from now. My puppy won't eat out of the bowl, but he'll eat out of my hand. I don't know what that's about. You may avoid the bowl if it's painful to chew or has a strong odor from a dirty bowl. Digestive issues, underlying health problems can make eating from a bowl uncomfortable. And the thing is, I've tried different locations because it keeps saying like maybe try changing the bowl or changing the location. I realized that certain foods he'll eat. No. I tried him on soft foods the other day instead of the regular puppy chow, and him wax it off clean out of the bowl. I don't understand. I really don't understand. I have too much going on right now. Like your child is doing something and you really want to know if they're faking it or not, or if they're really sick for you. That's literally how I am right now. Because do I want to go to the vet for the vet to tell me that nothing is wrong with him? No. But do I want to risk not going to the vet and actually something wrong with him that got worse because I didn't take him early on? Also no. Enzo, you know your danger, you know your danger. So I'm at Knutsford right now. I came to the one on Boulevard because closer to Price Smart. I don't have time to go all the way to New Kingston and then go to Price Smart and then there it is. My bag and pants and stuff are right there, so let me go around there and sort it out. So this is one and this is another. So they buy some pot and some, and he said I should take one, so I'm gonna take this red one. Alright, so that is done. I'm gonna go to Price Smart now. It's 9:55. I think we're on good timing. I'll get there like when it just open. I think people don't use indicators anymore. Like every time people are trying to turn or people are going to turn, they drive so slow and then turn instead of putting on the indicator from, you know, a little way away, so at least I can know if may I get them away or if may I go about my business. The place hot. Woof. I need to turn up my air coming in. Guys, no. People, tell me why there's a line to go in Price Smart right now. I think the door is just opened. Do I feel like a bougie mom today? I do. So we're gonna put the sheets on. I can't see them. I can't see. It's a leak up on the side. Actually, I don't. Wow.
ETC カードが挿入されていません。
They don't have it. It's sold out. Make them got me mad. Make them got me mad because if I don't laugh, I will cry. I have not been able to find plain Greek yogurt anywhere. And it's not even just that specific brand. I did want the member selection, but they don't have any other brand that is plain Greek yogurt either. None of the supermarkets that I've been to. I just went on Google a while ago and I was looking again to see where else would sell it, and them say Loshusan. So I'm gonna try Loshusan. It's been 3 days. I've been looking for some damn yogurt and I can't. We did it. I actually came to Hilo and I found this one. This is the LA yogurt whole milk probiotic. I saw this in a couple other supermarkets, but I wasn't sure yet. So I saw it in this one and I said, no man, if I see this one so much, let me actually Google the benefits of this and whatever, right? Because I was just looking for plain Greek yogurt, but even though this isn't Greek yogurt, it's still plain unsweetened yogurt. So, you know, I asked ChatGPT if this one can still work, because basically the yogurt that I'm looking for, I want it to have probiotics and I want it to say on the label that it has active, what do you say? Something about active and live cultures in it, whatever. So this one says it says contains active yogurt cultures, and I also saw where it says, you know, I preferred if it says pasteurized milk. So it says cultured pasteurized grade A milk and non-fat milk solids. And it contains listen, it contains some whole heap of something that is good for gut health. And that's really what I wanted it for. So I asked Chat for compare this and the Greek yogurt, and it says for what I want it for, this one is actually better. So I think things work out the way they're supposed to, you know. And I'll buy a piece of saltfish because I want saltfish for dinner. I want a little saltfish rundown, if you must. And I was gonna get the big pack of this granola, but I want to taste it. I want to see if I like it first. So I'm just buying 3 of the small ones, and it has raisins and cranberries in it. Okay, first of all, it says whole grain oats with crisp rice, sunflower seeds, and raisins and cranberries. I'm satisfied. I'm not mad. I can say this part was worth it. I can go home and make a little bowl right now. That would be my breakfast. It is now 2:09. Like the gun, I had when I left out a while ago, but I got a notification on the GPS app to say that it is back. So yeah, I can go home now. And I have a video to do. That same video that I said I had to do. I need to go do it. So why would me want to reverse now? Bag of people they back at me. Yo, can I go? I miss living this side of the world. I liked it up here. I used to be able to walk to Hilo, to the Pizza Hut, I used to walk everywhere. Until after a while, when I started seeing me in the streets and say, oh my god, I saw you walking in Barbican. And then I had to stop because it's like, I don't want to see me walk on the roadside. Me dear. Oh, I love my camera so much. I'll never take it for granted again, my baby. Over at top, like I've been saying, I wanted the DJI Action 5 Pro, which I still want, to be very honest. I really want that so bad. But for now, I think the Osmo Pocket really can do a lot. So I'm gonna get a waterproof case for it, because you know, if I can make it waterproof and a little more resistant, then why not, you know? Alright, my camera sitting on with long enough to decide if I don't want to turn or not. Like, let's be real.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Hello, my love. You want your mother? How are you? How are you?
If it ain't one thing, it's another. Light it gone when I left. No, the water gone. Luckily, I have a bottle of water here that I caught in case this happened. You know, so at least I can wash my hands with this. I'm gonna try some of this yogurt and granola and honey right now because I haven't eaten all day. What if this tastes extremely bad? Should we look a scoop? This is what we're looking like right now. I'm gonna put my granola over here. So do I just like... Enzo, stop. But this is what we're working with, right? Let's do a taste test. I'm scared. All right. It actually tastes good. I should have tried the yogurt by itself to see like how it tastes alone. Delicioso. Good morning. I don't know what day it is today. What day is it today? It's Tuesday. I'm going to UTech now because I need to collect something from somebody for my party so I can put it in the PR box to send out to the influencers. Can you believe I'm on this end of the entertainment industry? That's crazy. Come on, Enzo. Come. So I have my camera. I ate some yogurt this morning again. I have my yogurt with my granola and my honey. This is to some space. Initially I bought this for Enzo. I think I did tell you that in the vlog, but you're not getting more. You don't, sorry. Alright, look a bit left. A little bit is left in there. I'm gonna give it to him. Fine. Enzo start to take up this dirty style of not finishing his food or not wanting to eat his food out of the bowl. And I literally have to take the food out of the bowl, have it in my hand, and feed it to him. I don't know what that's all about, but yeah, me to stop it. I don't have time. To be doing all of that. Let me show you my OOTD. I'm too crazy. Me and my favorite shoes and my favorite bag. These shorts from Glow Mode Shein. Top is from Zara. Here's mine. Camera from Sony. Bracelet from Pandora, necklace from Ana Luisa. Yeah, and I mean that. Now, am I gonna go on the campus looking like this? No. I'm gonna hope that she can come out of the vehicle and help her sister out. For a fact, I'm gonna take my sweatpants just in case I actually do have to come out of the car for real. Enzo, mommy soon come. Love you. Be a good boy while I'm gone. I hate leaving him. Hi, baby. Guess what I just picked? Stuff for our PR boxes. So here's our little key ring. Oh my god. Big up R12. This is not exactly how I envisioned it. I would have really preferred if this was clear. The shade of purple, it's a little bit lighter, but it's okay. From when I see the logo, and I know say it's bodies after dark. So that's all that matters. So much to do, so little. Wait, remember so much clearing we get. But I don't know why that little walk that I just did made me feel like, wow, I low-key miss UTech. Do I want to drive back here? Like, this road is so bad. But yeah, this low-key made me miss UTech. I really did feel like a student for a little minute right there. But yeah, I think me and Shanita might go to AC to do some editing. I have some filming to do. So I have to go grab her, go home and pick up my laptop. But no, I should have carried it, you know. Like my mind was telling me, Shelby, pick up the laptop just in case you end up on the road doing something. I see that. Guys, I finally got my hands on the Jisoo Life Portable Handheld Fan Ultra 2. Now this one actually comes with accessories and I am so excited to show you guys what I got in this box. So first up, obviously, we have the fan. Now you have a little brush to actually clean the fan. You have the USB-C charger. You have a little key because the back of the fan can come off and you can wash it, and you have the little hand strap. It also comes with these nozzles so you can clean other things. It can also be used as a mini air pump. You can use the little brush accessory to clean your laptops, anything that has dust. And it comes with a little travel bag to keep everything in. Guys, this thing is a machine, okay? I've taken it out in public a couple times and I literally will put the fan, say here, and I'm standing all the way over there and I'm feeling it. People that were passing were like, whoa, where that breeze that come from? Let me show you guys something else, right? You know the end of an iPhone charger is USB-C. So I was like, what if one day I'm on the road and my phone is dying? Can I plug my phone in? My phone is at 16%. I don't know if you can see that. I'm plugging this in right now and look, it is literally charging. it just moved to 17%. I'm gonna show you the attachments. I'm gonna use it to clean my laptop. You have a flashlight on the back. So when you turn it this way, you press the button once and the flashlight comes on. Now at the front, you have the dial and then you have the on button. Let's put it at number 1, right? Let me show you what number 1 does to my hair. That's what number 1 does. I'm gonna bump this. This is 25. This is 50. And now for the moment of truth, 100. Bro, see? 100. You guys need this fan. That's all I can say. So best believe that the link will be in my description box below. Yeah, thank you so much to Jisoo Life for sending me this fan so I can share it with you guys. Believe me, this is one of my favorite gadgets that I've ever gotten from a company because the time is so odd. And this is a fan that actually works. Mind you, it is loud. It can get very loud, I'm not gonna lie. But honestly, I don't care about that. As long as it's a push breeze, that's all that matters to me. And especially if you're going to a party or in the middle of the party, the music loud, you're not gonna hear how loud this fan is. All you're going to be feeling is the breeze. So yeah, get you one of these. I need 14 of them right now. This vlog, I don't know if it's going in the right direction or not. Like sometimes some things go wrong. Like for example, today my period just started today and I am emotional as hell, as you can see. Well, I don't even know if you can see it, depending on how I choose to edit this video. I have been bawling my eyes out from last night. Like from last night when I started crying, I should have known that my period's gonna come today. I figured it was gonna come between today and tomorrow because really and truly it shoulda came from Monday. And like today, out of nowhere, I just realized I start bawling. Enzo just started whimpering as well because he saw me crying, and I literally just couldn't stop crying. And it looks like he was trying to comfort me because normally if I shed a 1-2 tear in here and Enzo see me, he'd be jumping all over me or whatever. But this time he looked genuinely concerned, and I felt so bad because I'm like, Jesus Christ, Enzo not even know what to do for help me right now. Like I literally feel like this is some type of manic episode. Like this cannot just be PMS. Like this cannot just be because of a period. I started thinking about every single thing that is going wrong in my life right now, and I'm literally trying so hard to snap out of it because there are good things happening. Like it's not a bad life, it's a bad day, it's a bad couple of days, it's a bad couple of months, but you know, I just wanted a distraction. Like YouTube ain't helping. I don't want to watch no shows. Outside wet and murky. Like I can't even take Enzo outside to go run up and down with him. I don't want to run up and down in the house. I don't even have the energy. I am tired as hell. I want to order some Indian food. Really and truly, I want a drink. But I told myself I'm easing off the liquor because I'm trying to get my body right. I'm trying to be healthy, and I think a lot of my issues that I've been having health wise is because of the damn liquor. I didn't want to admit it, but I'm starting to think it's that damn liquor. And you know, when I really start meds it, I realized that my belly is not as flat. Like I have a round belly at my young age. It not go work. Like clearly me not breathe. And all the other times I wasn't bloated because, you know, well, I felt bloated, but I'm like, it's not my period time. Like something else is the issue here. And then I just started to think about it. I'm like, actually, it's the liquor. I'm having too much liquor. I'm not hydrated enough. I'm not eating properly because I haven't really been cooking that much. I've been eating out a lot, and yeah, I need to take back control of my body. So that's why I was on the hunt so much for the probiotics. I decided to buy some cloves because I'm gonna start drinking clove water every now and then, not too often, because you know, too much of anything can be dangerous for your body. I'm gonna start taking my turmeric and garlic and lime shots every now and then, flush out my system. I need to build my immune system. I need to start taking vitamins. Like, but really, I try, people. I'm going to start even writing a meal plan that I can follow weekly. Like, it better I eat
some of the same foods sometimes rather than not eating because I'm being picky. God forbid. I am very picky and I don't like eating the same thing, but as a result, I'm not eating anything. And one day, I was the most I've ever weighed, and I know that's gone. I know that's gone. And that makes me a little bit sad because, girl, there was progress and now there isn't any. What do you have to show for it? Nothing but empty liquor bottles. That not look good. So, yeah, this was a good chat. I needed this. See, this is why I like talking to my camera. Like, people are always like, you literally talk to a camera. I do, and I feel better after. Okay? I don't care what anybody has to say. I feel better, and that's all that matters. Yeah, I'm good, I know. But also did ask God a little earlier, like, please just let me feel better so I don't do anything crazy. I really asked, and I think he granted that wish for me. So big up God. I decided to talk to him before crashing out, and I think it worked. Yeah.